Hello.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. You sent me the homework. From there, I had sent you the correction. Did you read the message?
No, I did not.
Okay. Do you have the book in front of you where you did the homework, where you did the sums?
Yeah, I have.
Okay. So from there, the
So
first.
I'll see it and I'll do it from there only. No time. No need to.
Okay,
Do it again.
I'll just tell you orally what the mistake is. First is the fourth sum, that is 5m square.
1 second. I'll just take the book. Yeah. What's up?
Fourth one.
Fourth one.
Fourth one. You have written the formula wrong. See, you have written x is equal to minus b plus minus under root 4ac you have written. It has to be under root b square.
Oh, 4b square.
B square minus 4ac. So correct that.
Okay.
And then the
Okay.
sixth one below, sixth one.
1 second. I'll just write it down as in when you're done.
Yeah.
Putting a circle. Next one. Sixth one. Yeah.
Sixth one below. Formula is correct, but after that, you have written minus 13 plus minus under root of 13 square minus 4 into 5 into 8. Okay, that is correct.
Upon 2 into 5.
That is correct. But after that, 13 square 169. Now 4 into 5 into 8 is not 80. It is 160. 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 8 is 160.
160.
So you'll have 169 minus 160, which is 9, under root 9. And under root 9 will be 3. 3. So from there
3.
it will
so
get
minus
changed.
13 plus minus.
Plus minus
10.
3. Yes, plus minus 3 upon 10. And then after that you have to do the subtraction. Addition
so that
and
will become minus 13 plus 3 upon 10 and minus 13 minus 3 upon 10.
Yes.
Okay, I'll do that.
Okay.
I'll do that again.
Yes. And also the third one is correct what you did. So minus 2 minus under root 88 upon 6 and minus 2 plus under root 88 upon 6. Now this is correct, but only what can be done is you can reduce 88. Under root 88, you can reduce it further. So try reducing that.
What is the thing? How will you reduce it?
Take the, under root 88 it is, right? So take the prime factors, find out the prime factors of 88. So this will be
244, 222. And then 211.
And lastly 11
1.
So this one pair and this you multiply. So it is 2 root 22. Do you understand this?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. So we'll now start with
the second sum is right.
Yes.
Okay, so now we'll go on to practice it. And the exercise 1 is also right. That I sent you.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. The comparing part, right? ABC. Yeah.
No, not compare.
Finding ABC.
Comparing? Yeah, fine. Yeah.
Yeah, that's correct. So we'll continue with the next exercise. 2.5. Yes, I can hear you. So we'll do this activity first.
I did that activity also. I did it.
You did
I
it?
did it in the textbook only. Yeah.
Okay. So just we'll cross-check, cross-verify your answers. What is in this box here? Quadratic equation.
Quadratic equation, no, first nature of roots.
Sorry. Yeah, nature of roots. First one is?
First one is real, the one which is up real.
Real and unequal.
No, I did not write unequal or equal. I just wrote real. Okay. And the one down is not real.
Not real.
because the one above is positive and the one down is negative.
Okay, correct. And here, quadratic
Here I
equation,
wrote x square minus 5x minus 7 equals to 0.
-5.
Minus 5x.
No, but sum of roots is -7. And product
Oh,
is 5. Product is 5.
okay. So I wrote it ulta. Right.
Yeah. So it should be x square minus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. So that means if this minus minus will become plus, so you will have x square plus 7x plus 5 equal to 0.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Next, alpha plus
Next
beta.
one, alpha plus beta is 2. And alpha into beta is minus 3 upon 2.
Correct. Okay, good. Now next is finding the value of the discriminant. Now, as I said, discriminant also delta, and delta, that means you have to find the value of b square minus 4ac. That's it. You just have to find the value and keep. So in that, the first one I'll do x square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. Can you tell me what is ABC in this?
Yeah. A is 1, B is 7, and C is minus 1.
C is -1. So you just substitute this in the formula, b square minus 4ac. So that is 7
What
square.
problems are what
Yes,
problems you're going to take?
yes,
What
yes,
problems?
yes, yes. So b square minus 4 into 1 into -1. So this becomes 49. And this minus and minus plus 4. So that is 53. So the value of the discriminant in this case is
Positive.
positive 53. Okay.
Real.
They have not asked us do we have the nature. So
I
they are
can do the
just,
second one.
yes, second one. So we'll do it for homework, right?
Yeah, whatever. I can do it for homework also. Yeah, I'll do it for homework. Yeah.
Okay. So I'll show you the third one. Third one is also easy.
I should write this one down.
Yes,
Also.
write it. Yeah, write it down, write it down.
Done.
Done? Okay. So second one you do for homework, we'll see the third one. So in this, can you tell me the values of A, B, and C?
Here A is root 2, B is 4, and C is 2.
No, entire thing.
2 root 2.
2 root 2. So we have to find the value of the discriminant. That is means we have to find delta. That is b squared minus 4ac. Substitute the values. B is 4, so 4 square minus 4 into A, that is root 2, and B, C, that is 2 root 2. So 4 square is 16 minus, now here we have a root. So first you multiply the numbers. So 4 into 2, that is 8. Okay, so first I multiplied this 2. And root 2 into root 2. Can you tell me what will it be? Root 2 multiplied by root 2?
2.
2. So this we get 16 minus 16.
Wait, how did you get 8?
This 4 multiplied by this 2. Okay, 4 into 2, 8. And then I multiplied this root 2 into root 2, which is 2. And then you multiply these two again, 8 into 2, which is 16. So that's how you get 16 minus 16, that is 0. So the value of the discriminant here is 0. Is it clear?
Equal.
Yes, it's equal.
Just write it down.
Finished writing?
No. I have to write it.
Yeah, right. Did you finish writing?
I'll just be back in a minute. I've finished writing. I'll be back.
No, I could not hear you.
I've finished writing. I'll be back in a minute.
Okay.
Yeah, done.
Done?
Yeah, done with that. The second one is for homework.
Yes.
Nature of roots.
Third now, question 3 is finding nature of roots.
This one, yeah.
Yeah. Tell me.
No, nothing. I thought this one is already done because the earlier one also has 3 questions and this one also has 3 questions. So I thought we just did this one.
Yes. So now here you have to find the discriminant, but depending on the discriminant, you have to decide what is the nature of the roots. So is it real and equal? Is it real and unequal, or is it not real? So can you do the first
So
one?
same thing, right?
Yes, it's the same thing. It's the same thing.
Then
Only
why?
No, only here you have to decide whether it is real and equal, real and unequal, or not real. That's it. It's just that in the first one, they want to get you familiar with what is discriminant. That is what is delta. Can you do this one?
Exact same method, right?
Yes, yes, exact same.
Hello.
Yes.
No, no, wait. Sorry, sorry. No,
Yeah,
I've done maybe sums now, so it's very hard for you. Okay, first one, delta is equal to 0, so delta is equal.
yeah. Real and equal. Yes.
Sec yeah, second one, delta is equal to 3, so delta is positive.
So it is real and
And
unequal.
yeah, and third one, delta is equal to minus 30, so delta is negative and unequal,
Uh, not real.
not real.
Write those statements at the end. Real and unequal, real and equal. Yeah, fine, perfect. Question number 4, form the quadratic equation from the roots given below. So now, can you tell me which formula to use here?
x square minus a plus b x plus ab equals to 0. Just 1 minute, I'll just do it.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we have to form the quadratic equation. The first one is alpha is 0 and 4. So alpha plus beta will be 0 plus 4 into x plus alpha into beta will be 0 multiplied by 4 is equal to 0. So clearly you see this will become x square minus 4x, and 0 into 4 will be 0 itself. So it's okay if we don't write that, equal to 0. So this is the first quadratic equation. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, write it down and then do the second one and tell me the answer. Yes.
No, I just said okay. Hello.
Yes.
X square plus 7x minus 30 equals to 0.
Minus 30 equal to 0. Okay, correct.
Is
Third
there a
one.
lag?
No.
Okay.
Okay, so third one, let's do the third one. 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 2. So alpha is 1 upon 2, beta minus 1 upon 2. Okay, so we'll write the formula first. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. So it will be x square minus half, and beta is minus half. So half minus half x plus half into minus half is equal to 0. So this two anyways will get cancelled. It will become 0. So minus 0x plus half into half. So
But it is
numerator,
not multiplication, right? It is minus sign in the middle, right?
yes,
So how
yes.
did 1 upon 2 and
It's getting
okay, different sides.
yes, different sign. It is getting subtracted. It's
Okay.
like it is like 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Same
Yeah.
thing, half minus half 0. And here it will get multiplied. So it will become minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0. Okay. Now this 0x is okay if you don't write it. So x square minus 1 upon 4
But
is
don't we have to
equal.
write it in the full general form? So
If it is asked in the,
0x is okay if you don't write?
it is okay if you don't write. But yes, if you want to write it in the general form, you write it. X square minus
No, because our
0x.
school has said that the last answer should be in the general form.
Okay, so we'll write it in the general form then. So this is the general form and the final answer. X square minus 0x minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0.
Can you just reduce it so I can write the entire thing? Yeah, 1 second. Done.
Okay, last one. 2 minus root 5, 2 plus root 5. So alpha
Just one
is,
second, just 1 second. I just
yes,
1 second.
yes.
Still writing. Please.
Do you want me to show the previous sum?
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. You can continue.
Okay. Now in this sum, alpha is 2 minus root 5, beta is 2 plus root 5. So what we'll do is we'll first separately we'll find out alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Separately we'll find out and we'll just substitute it. So it's just that I'm finding it separately because the calculation will be little lengthy. So alpha plus beta, so that means you have to add 2 minus root 5 plus 2 plus root 5. So minus root 5 plus root 5 will get cancelled and you'll be left with 2 plus 2, that is 4. So alpha plus beta is equal to 4. Now we'll find out the product, alpha into beta. So
So after you
alpha,
find both, then you'll put it in the formula, then you'll
yes,
do it. Then that is
yes,
one.
yes,
Then you'll go for the second. Oh, so that is done. No, no.
yeah, that's done. So alpha into beta will be little bit lengthy. So it is 2 minus root 5 into 2 plus root 5. Okay, multiplication. Now, if you note one thing, this is of the form A minus B, A plus B. So what formula to use? What formula to use? A minus B, A plus B. So what is the formula of A minus B, A plus B? Can you tell me?
A square minus B square.
Yes, A square minus B square, correct. A minus B, A plus B. So let's use this formula. A is
You can
2.
hear me properly, right?
Yes. So A is
Because
2.
your voice is cracking a bit for me. That is all. Sorry to
Okay.
interrupt.
Okay. So A is 2 and B is root 5. So it will become A square minus root 5 square. So A square is 4. Sorry, 2 square is 4. And what is the square of root 5? What is the square
5
of? Yes, 5. And this is 4 minus 5, that is minus 1.
minus 1.
So alpha into beta
Arey
is,
bapre. So then you will have to put it in the formula again, right?
yes, just
So we could
substitute
have
it.
just done it together, right? Why did we do it?
We could have done it together. It's just that this whole calculation, we would have to done it in that sum itself. So just to avoid that, and then that would be little bit too much messed up. So it's better if you do it separately. You can do it together, so there's no problem in that. I just wanted my sum to look little bit neat, so that's why I did it separately. So substitute it. So this becomes x square minus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is your quadratic equation. Did you understand this? Yes? Okay, you can write it down.
Okay. Can you show me the entire sum?
This is the entire sum. It
So
starts
like the
from here.
question also, because they have kept the textbook far away. So.
Yeah. This is the question. See, third one.
Oh, okay. So, this is not the third one. This is the fourth one. Hello.
Yes. Fourth one.
I just have one question. Why would it be minus 4x?
Formula. The formula. X square minus alpha plus beta.
Okay, and how would it be? Yeah. And then how would it be minus 1?
-1 because this we got -1 here. 4 minus 5 minus
Yeah, but
1.
then in the thing it is plus.
So plus
Okay,
into
yeah.
minus.
Yeah, just 1 second. I'm just on that. Yes, done.
Done.
Yes.
So we'll do the fifth one. Sum of the roots of the quadratic. Copy it. Okay. Sum of the roots of the quadratic equation is double their products. Find k if the equation, that means if your quadratic equation is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So main information that is given in the question is this first line. Sum of roots is double the products. So I'll start with the solution. So let alpha and beta be the roots of the quadratic equation. Let alpha and beta be the roots of the quadratic equation. So they are saying sum of roots, that is alpha plus beta, is double. Double means twice the product, that is alpha into beta. This is given. Okay, sum of roots. This is sum. And this is product.
Yes.
So this is given. Sum of roots is equal to double their product. Now we have to find k of this quadratic equation. Now we'll just, we got this. I'll just keep this equation 1 and I'll keep it separate now. Write down the quadratic equation that is given to you. X square minus 4kx
I have to
plus,
write.
no. First understand, I'll give you time to write. K plus 3 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation given to you. Now, in this quadratic equation, can you tell me what is A, B, and C? Yes. Tell me what is A, B, and C.
A is 1, B is -4, and C is 3.
B
Okay,
is
is...
this entire thing. Everything, the coefficient of X will be B.
Okay,
So
okay, okay,
what
okay.
is the
So
coefficient of X?
4K.
4K. And this entire thing is a last constant term. K is also a constant. So what is C?
K plus 3.
K plus 3 is C. Okay. Now, what is the formula for sum of roots? Alpha plus beta. What is the formula?
Minus B upon A.
Yes, minus B upon A. Substitute the values of B and A. So it will be 4 minus 4K upon 1, which is minus 4K itself. Then product of roots, alpha into beta. What is the formula for product of roots? Yes, what is the formula for product of roots? Can you hear me?
Yes.
What is the formula for product of roots?
Your voice is breaking, I guess. Whatever. C upon A.
C upon A. So substitute. C is K plus 3, A is 1. So K plus 3 divided by 1 is K plus 3 itself. Now, both of these you substitute
Done.
in equation 1. Okay, you substitute
No,
it
the
in.
sum is done, right? You found.
No. We have to find the value of K. That is the question. See, find K.
Okay, okay.
We have not found K yet. Now substitute both in equation 1. Now equation 1 was alpha plus beta is equal to 2 times alpha into beta. Substitute the values now for alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta is minus 4K is equal to 2. Alpha into beta is K plus 3. Okay. Now we have to simplify this. Multiply the 2 inside here. So we'll have 4K is equal to 2K plus 2 into 3, that is 6. Okay. Now take minus 2K on the other, sorry, take this plus 2K on the other side. Or what we can do is we'll take plus 6 on this side and we'll take minus 4K on this side. So plus 6 when it came this side became minus 6. And minus 4K when it will come this side will become plus 4K. So you'll have minus 6 is equal to 2K plus 4K is 6K. So I can just write this like this. 6K is equal to minus 6. Therefore, K will be equal to minus 6 upon 6, which is minus 1. So the value of K is minus 1. Did you understand this?
Yeah.
Okay, you can write it down now. Yes.
Yes, yes. Scroll down. Just one thing, at after this step, why didn't we just keep k on this side and take 6 on the other side? We could have just taken 6 on the other side, right? Instead of again putting 6k on this side and then.
That is just rearranging. This step is not, I've just written, I have not taken anything on any other side. I've just written
I was
6k.
just saying that if minus 6 here, minus 6 and then 6k, so why not that you just kept k on this side and then you put 6 on the other?
But
No specific reason.
that will not give me the value of k, no? So if I keep, if I take minus, so you're saying taking minus 6 on the other side, right? Instead of division,
No.
no?
Keeping k on the same side and taking 6 on the other. So minus 6 plus 6. Minus 6 minus 6.
No, that you cannot do because 6 is in multiplication, 6 is in multiplication with k. So when it goes on the other side, it will become division. It has to go in the denominator. Got it?
No.
your question is minus 6 is equal to 6k. So why I did not take 6 on the other side? Correct? Is that your
Yeah.
question? So here
Yes.
I took 6 on the other side. Now here 6 is in multiplication with k. So when you take on the other side, you get divided. So that same thing I did here.
You can take division, but you cannot take it into what?
You're saying
Your
just 6 on the other side.
okay. Let's say not 6 minus, but then you can at least do k on the on that side, and then you can do minus 6 upon 6 over there
Oh,
itself.
okay. Here it says, now yes, like this.
Yeah.
Yes.
Why do they?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. 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 You can do this way. I have not done
No, I
anything
just
different.
thought, why did you take 6k on the other side and then do all of that?
Okay. This I have not taken here now at this step. I have not taken anything on any other side. It's just that I have written 6k here and minus 6k that
So
this way.
why?
It's
That was
just a
my
matter of writing. There's no specific reason for that. It's just writing. You can do it like this also. See, anyways, it's like kind of I'm just interchanging it.
done.
Done?
Yes.
Let's do the sixth one. In the sixth one, alpha and beta are the roots of this quadratic equation. You have to find out alpha square plus beta square. Okay. And second, you have to find out alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay, first let's write down this quadratic equation. Y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. In this quadratic equation, A is 1, B is minus 2, C is minus 7. Now, alpha plus beta. Let us find out this first. Alpha plus beta. The formula for this is minus B upon A. Substitute the values. Minus B is minus 2, A is 1. So this becomes plus 2. Let's find out product of roots alpha into beta. What is the formula for alpha into beta?
C upon A.
C upon A. So this is minus 7 upon 1, which is minus 7. Okay, but now note one thing. We have got alpha plus beta and we have got alpha into beta. But what we have to find out? We have to find out
Square.
alpha square plus beta square.
So 2 square plus minus 7 square.
No, we cannot do that. We cannot do that. We have to find
Then
out
what?
alpha square plus beta square. We have to find out. So what you do here is use the formula a plus b whole bracket square. What is this formula? Can you tell me?
A square plus 2ab plus b square.
A plus 2ab, that is, I'm just writing the formula in terms of alpha and beta plus beta square. Correct? Now what you do is just take this plus 2ab on other side. So this will become alpha plus beta whole bracket square minus 2 alpha beta, and remaining thing write it as it is, alpha square plus beta square. Did you understand this? So now you see your right hand side. Right hand side is alpha square plus beta square, and left, which we have to find out. And left hand side values we can just substitute and find out. So alpha plus beta, what we got the value, right? What is alpha plus beta? 2. So substitute this as 2 whole bracket square minus 2 into alpha into beta is minus 7. So minus 7 is equal to alpha square plus beta square. So 2 square is 4. Minus into minus plus 2 into 7, 14 is equal to alpha square plus beta square. 4 plus 14 is 18. we have 18 is equal to alpha square plus beta square. Or we can say alpha square plus beta square is equal to 18. Did you understand this? Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, write down this. Then we'll do the second one.
That
Okay. Let's find the next one. Now, next is alpha cube plus beta cube.
what?
Second one is to find out alpha cube plus beta cube. We have to find out alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay. Now, for this, we will use the formula alpha a plus b whole bracket cube. You know what? Do you remember this formula a plus b whole bracket cube?
I don't know.
You, what he said? I could not hear you. What did you say?
No, I do not remember this.
Okay, so this formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3 ab into a plus b. You remember this? You must have studied
Uh,
this. formula like this, I think. A plus B whole bracket cube is A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. You must have studied this formula like this, but both of these formulas are one and the same. Okay, now in this formula, you take this plus 3 alpha beta on the other side. So you will have alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube. Did you understand up to here?
Yes.
Now substitute the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta is 7. Alpha plus beta is 2 and alpha into beta is minus 7. Substitute the values here. So this is 2, alpha plus beta is 2, so 2 cube minus 3. Alpha into beta is minus 7 and this alpha plus beta again 2 is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube. Simplify, so this will be 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. This minus into minus will become plus 3 into 7 into 2. So 3 into 7, 21. 21 into 2, 42 is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube. So 8 plus 42 is 50. So alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 50. That's it. Did you understand this?
Yes.
So write it down.
Can you show me the entire sum?
Previous one you wrote it, right?
No.
This one. Yes?
Yeah.
So the next second part starts from here.
Okay.
This is first. This is second.
Okay. Done.
Okay, last one. In the seventh one, if you read the question carefully, they say the roots of each of the following quadratic equation are real and equal. Okay, the roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. Find k. Now here you will have to use the concept of nature of roots. Okay, nature of roots. Now, when are the roots real and equal? When the discriminant is, yes, do you remember? When are the roots real and equal?
Hello.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you. Voice had gone for a entire
Okay.
5 minutes.
So did you get the question, what I said in the question?
No. Maybe you asked something about the. Yeah, this one. You asked whether real and equal, when are they real and equal?
Yes. When are the roots real and equal? When?
When they're equal to 0.
Yes, when the discriminant is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. So using that concept, we have to solve this sum and find out the value of k. So let's do the first one. First one is 3y square plus ky plus 12 equal to 0. Can you tell me the values of a, b, and c in this?
A is 3, B is ky.
Just k. Y is a variable.
Oh, sorry. And C is 12.
C is 12. Now we'll use the concept since the roots are real and equal, the roots are real and equal. Okay, since they are real and equal, the discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now here in this discriminant, substitute the values. B is k, so k square minus 4 into a, that is 3, c, that is 12, is equal to 0. K square minus 4 into 3 into 12. Can you do this calculation? Can you tell me how much it will be? 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 12. 4 into 3 is 12.
12 and 12
And
into 12 is 144.
yes, correct. 144 equal to 0. Now take minus 144 on other side.
Why can't we do square root on both sides?
Yes, now we'll be doing it. Now we can do it.
No,
Square
but
root.
earlier also we could have done.
No. Earlier we couldn't have done because there's a minus sign here. No? So when you take square root, you would have had to take completely. So here when you do take square root both sides, when you take square root both sides, you will get k is equal to square root 144. What is square root of 144? Square root 144?
12.
So the value of k in this first sum is 12. Did you understand this?
Yes.
Write it down. And then for the second sum, I'll give you a hint, initial hint, and you will have to solve the second one.
Yeah. I'll write this down.
Yes, write it down. Okay, let's do the second one.
There is one more.
Okay, so first we'll have to just little bit rearrange this. So I'll give you a hint for that. So first what you do is multiply this kx, both the terms multiplied inside the bracket. So kx into x will become kx square minus kx into 2 will become 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Is this clear what I did here? Now, can you tell me what is A, B, and C here?
A is K, B is minus 2K, and C is 6.
Okay. Now the roots are real and equal. Exactly same way. Can you do it? Exactly same like the previous sum. Can you complete this?
Like,
Yes?
just like the earlier one.
Yes, just like the earlier one. They are saying the roots are real and
And equal. Okay, fine.
real and equal. That means you have to substitute this. B square minus 4AC equal to 0. Substitute the values, find the value of K. And also don't forget to write the statement. Since the roots are real and equal, then B square minus 4AC equal to 0.
24k minus 24k equals to 0. Hello?
Yes. D is minus 2k. Minus. Yes, but one thing you're missing out. It's correct. But one thing you're missing out. Look at the screen. One thing is when you take square of mine, it is minus 2k the whole square. So it will become 4k square. Okay, the square will go for the k as well.
So then it will become 24 on that side.
Yes. Yes. So it will become 4k square is equal to 24k.
K square equals to 24 upon 4.
K square is equal to 24k upon 4. Yes. So you'll get k square is equal to 6k. Now note one more thing can get cancelled is here you have 2k and here you have 1k. So what can be done?
Divide the entire thing by k.
Yes, you can do that also. Yes. So k square upon k is equal to 6k upon k. So k cancel and here k and 1k cancel. So k is equal to 6. You can do this way, or one more thing you can do is there's one other way also of doing it.
Is it shorter than this?
I think so. I think it should be shorter. I'll show it to you. You decide whether it is shorter. So it is 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. First is both 4 and 24 is divisible by 4. So you divide by 4. So you will get k square minus 6k is equal to 0. And now if you see, you can take k common out. If you take k common out, you will have k minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. So from here, you can say k is equal to 0.
No, I like mine.
Okay. Or k minus 6 is equal to 0. So you'll get same thing here, 6.
No, instead of getting 0 and 6, this is easier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See that you write here dividing by k on both sides.
Dividing k in each.
Both sides.
Both sides? Okay.
Dividing by k on both, because that is the thing what we are doing. We are dividing by k on both sides.
We are also dividing k in each.
Yeah, same thing. Yes.
Okay, done. Now?
I think that was the last sum, right?
Yes. Now practice it. Okay. Let me first do the fill in the blanks. I have a pencil nearby, so that is why.
Problem
And
set.
we did not do no. And we did not do that activity on page 52 and 53 before going to problem
Yeah,
setting.
52 is for problem sums. Yeah, will do. And 53 is also pro application. Both are application. Yeah, both are application. And they are the part of the exercise.
So then we're not doing it.
No, we'll do. Problem sums will do. Before that,
No,
we'll do.
now we're not doing it.
Now we are not doing. Yeah. So we'll do problem set, and from problem set, I'll give you homework, and then I think Let's see. Let us see how much time we take for problem set. Accordingly, we'll decide then the sums, problem sums. Okay. First one. Which one of the following is a quadratic equation?
D.
D. Yes. Second one.
I
Out of the
mean, which I thought was the simplest. I did not solve all of them. And see.
yes. B actually B is, or you can even say why A is not. A is not here. First of all, see X is in the denominator.
But why do you say A is not? If I say A is not, then we'll have to prove why C and D is also not. Instead, let's just say B is.
No. It's just that method of you have to, like, if you're confused, which is the correct answer, then you do elimination. You try to eliminate. But if you
But
know
then I'll
which
have
is
to
the
do 3 times.
yes,
Yeah.
yes,
So
yes.
yeah.
But if you know, it's okay. Well and good. Second, out of the following equation, which one is not a quadratic equation?
A and D.
A and
A
D.
and
A,
D because they're
yeah.
like the same.
Yes. Yes. Correct.
So both of them are not.
Correct.
But here
Third,
they have written which one is not an quadratic equation.
yes. Both are not a
Not
quadratic.
which ones are not a quadratic equations.
Yes. Both are
So we
not a
can choose
quadratic.
two.
Yes.
Good.
Third one. The root of this quadratic equation are real and equal. Find k. This is like same the previous sum which we have done. Same like that it is. Can you do it?
Please.
Sorry.
Can you do it, please? I don't feel like doing anything now because the entire day we were doing this.
X square plus kx plus k is equal to 0. So tell me A, B, and C.
A is 1, B is K, C is K. Oh,
Oh,
A, B and C is the same. It can happen like that.
yes, it can happen. Yes. Now it is said that the roots are real and equal. Real and equal means b square minus 4ac is
Equal to 0.
yes, equal to 0. Since roots are real and equal, that is why.
Then positive, what is a positive?
Positive is greater than 0
Greater than
and
0.
negative is less than 0.
Yeah.
Substitute the values. B is k, so k square minus 4 into a, that is 1, c, that is k, is equal to 0. So you'll have your k square minus 4 into 1 into k is 4k is equal to 0. Now note one thing, that from here you can take k common out. When you take k common out, inside the bracket you'll be left with k minus 4 is equal to 0. So from here either k is equal to 0 or k minus 4 is equal to 0. So here k equal to 0 you already got. Take minus 4 on the other side. So you will have k is equal to plus 4. We have got a value of k. It is 0 or 4. So which is the correct option?
4.
We got the answer here, no? See, 0 or 4.
So,
So which is the
oh,
correct
sorry,
option?
sorry. I thought, okay, 0 or 4. C.
C. So it's better if you make a note of this sum. Write
One
it somewhere.
second, but then why not A and B? Why not
Because,
A, B and C?
because A is saying only 0, while B is saying only 4. While here both are the answers, 0 and 4, 0 or 4. So C is the best match. Are you getting it?
Yeah. Like in the second one, how we chose 2 answers like that. The third one also you could have chosen 2 answers, but whatever.
Yes, but here in C, it both are there. Both the options are there. So you select one only. Okay, make a note of this sum. Write it somewhere. Or you can write it in your textbook only there besides it.
Yeah, just give me 1 minute. Hello.
Yes. Fourth one. Find the value of the discriminant. Can you do this one?
For that, we'll have to
You'll have to solve.
first we'll have to do what is A, B, and C.
Yes.
Then we will have to say that no, I don't know. Then what we have to do?
Discriminant. What is discriminant?
That
B
B
square.
and all of that, right?
B square
Yeah, B
minus 4.
square. Yeah.
You have to find out that.
So then, 1 second. The earlier one, right?
You just have to find the value of discriminant and nothing else. I think it's better if you write it in the notebook because this also has, these sums have a lot of calculations. So A is root 2, B is minus 5, C is root 2. So B square minus 4AC is a discriminant. Substitute the values. B is minus 5. So it becomes minus 5 square minus 4 into A into C. So this minus 5 square is 25 minus 4. And how much is root 2 into root 2?
I've reached till 25 equals to 8.
25? Okay, 25
25,
minus 8.
yeah, sorry, 25 minus 8.
Yes, and how much is
I've reached
25?
till there, equals to 0.
No, don't put equal to 0 because they are not telling us whether it is real and equal, no? 25 minus 8 is 70. So B is the correct option.
But it is minus 25, no, sorry. What? 17. Okay, sorry.
17,
Sorry.
1 7.
1 second.
I think you're tired of maths today. I think too much maths we have done.
No, it's just that I'm not. I don't know all the formulas, so you have to tell me which formula to use. Then I'll be like, okay, I got it.
Okay.
If you take the formula the names, then I don't know which formula you're talking about. So
Okay.
you will
Okay.
have to tell me what is in the formula so that I can.
But you have to remember the names also, okay? Because in the
Yeah,
exam,
I was.
they
Yeah,
did
I was writing it. I'm like,
okay,
done
okay,
halfly writing it. So you told me
okay.
to write it 10 times, right?
Yes, yes. Fifth one. Which of the following quadratic equation has roots 3 and 5?
Which formula?
Now, here roots are given to you. Roots are given 3 and 5. That means alpha
A
is,
and B,
yes,
alpha
yes,
and beta.
yes, beta. Use the formation formula. X square minus
Yeah, I got it. Got it.
this one. And then see which it matches to which of the equation.
Yeah.
Be careful with the signs also, okay? Because the options are a
Yeah.
little bit confusing.
Option B, x square minus 8x plus 15 equals to 0.
Yes, correct.
I've done that. I've done that. That one is
Six,
over.
sixth one. Sixth one. This is sixth
No,
one.
no, no. Sorry, sorry, sorry.
Out of the following equations, find the equation having sum of its root as minus 5. Sum of roots should be minus 5. That means
Alpha plus beta equals to minus 5.
minus 5. Now, here you will have to use the formula alpha plus beta, that is minus b upon a. In each of the equation you have to use and find out. Now, here in the A, option A, what is B? B is minus 15 and A is 3. So if you're
Yes, we
using,
got it. The first one.
note one thing, I want minus 5. Okay, if I,
So we will get minus 5, right?
let's check, A is 3, B is minus 15.
Fine. Just directly go to minus b upon a.
Yes, so minus B upon A. So minus 15 upon 3, which is plus 5. This is plus 5. So A is not the option. A is not the
Then
correct option.
D.
D, yes, correct, D. Seventh one,
What is option 1?
D.
It should be real and unequal.
Acha,
Right?
this one. This you'll have to solve and check.
No,
These,
here A may they have written real and unequal.
unequal. It
So
has to be unequal.
yeah.
Okay. Substitute the values in this formula. B square minus 4AC. Okay. What is B?
Root 5.
Root 5. So root 5
Minus
square.
root 5.
Minus
B
root
is
5
minus
square.
root 5.
Yes. Minus 4 into A is,
Root 5.
and C is
Root 5.
root 5. Minus 5 wholes, minus root 5 square will be,
Minus 5.
no, no, minus no.
You said it in a different tone, so I thought that is one.
Minus root 5, so minus will go away. So it became plus, minus. 4 into, how much is root 5 into root 5?
5. So
5.
50, 20.
So 5 minus 20. How much is 5 minus 20?
15.
Minus 15. Sign
Yeah.
as a greater number. Now this is
So this
negative.
is real and
No, negative it is.
unequal.
No,
Oh,
when
sorry.
it,
Unequal and sorry. This is unequal, right?
no, actually it has to be not real. But there is, you see, roots are not real. When it is negative, it is not real.
Okay, okay. Okay.
So which option? A, B, C, or D?
C.
C. I hope you remember this. Equal to 0 means real and equal. Greater than
Yes.
0, that is positive, it means real and unequal. And if it is negative, means less than 0, then it is not real. Okay, keep these 3 important points in mind. 8th one, the last MCQ.
I have to
One
do
of
it by that finding out the equation, forming equation formula.
they are saying that one of the root is 2. You have to find the value of
Can
m.
you repeat? I cannot hear anything. Is there something going on? Is somebody like,
Yes,
hi?
yes,
I'm
yes,
sorry.
yes.
Can't hear anything.
Okay, what you do
Hello?
is, yes, can you hear now?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so they are saying that one of the root of this quadratic equation is 2. So you substitute x is equal to 2 in this equation. So this will become 2 square plus m into 2.
M into 2 minus 5 equals to 0. So 4 plus 2m minus 5 equals to 0. 2m we can keep as it is in 4 plus minus 5. So we'll take it on the other side.
So it will become minus 4 plus 5.
Plus 5.
How much is
Will
minus 4?
be plus minus minus. So 1. So m equals to half.
So the correct option is
Option C.
C.
This is not the last. There is one more we have. Which of the
Okay.
following equations is quadratic?
This you can tell me easily. Which is a quadratic equation? Just by looking at it, you can tell.
Or, sorry, first one.
First one, yes, first one. Okay. Now I'll give you
Now
homework.
this one.
I'll give you homework. I'll give you hint what has to be done. You make a note of it. So in the second one, third one, you have to find the
Before
value.
this, what homework you have given me? Before the problem set, what homework
The
you have given
problem.
me? No homework. Right?
No, nothing before the problem set, nothing before. Okay, so third one, find the value of discriminant. That means you have to find the value of b square minus 4ac. In each of the quadratic equation, you find out a, b, c, substitute it in the formula b square minus 4ac. You can do that for homework. Fourth one also you can do for homework because fourth one is exactly same like the 8th MCQ.
Total 9.
Okay. Ninth is a problem sum. Till 8 to do. Till 8. Ninth one is a problem sum.
Yeah.
Okay, so try till 8th and we'll stop here. Okay, we'll stop here. So you send me your solutions, send me photos of your solutions so that I can check and I'll get back to you.
I'll send this to you by tomorrow.
Yeah. Yes. So So tomorrow also 3 o'clock.
to 5.
Okay. So we'll stop here.
But
See you
tomorrow
tomorrow.
I have a class at tomorrow I have a class at 5, so we
We'll
cannot
finish
extend.
5-10 minutes before.
No. I have it at 5:15, but
5:15.
not
Okay.
more. Yeah.
Okay. Fine. So even the previous correction you have to do, the formula method.
Yeah.
Also, you had, I think I also gave you completing square method. 2 sums were for homework. You didn't try that? Completing square method. That is, I'll show you the
Is that?
exercise. 1 minute. Yeah, 5th and 6th one. This 5th one and 6th one. This also was there for homework. Did you do it?
I don't know.
Okay, so do this also. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. See you tomorrow.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.